Good morning, everyone. Good morning, classmates, especially to you, ma'am. So today we were going to discuss about the Just Dance basic terminologies. So there are 12 Just Dance basic terminologies. So now we will first discuss about the Excel turn. So an Excel turn is a simple yet stunning jump, often used in intermediate choreography, starting with a chain turn. One leg goes up into passe, followed by the other developing into a fully rotating jump in the air. So, an Excel turn, no? Starts with a chain turn. One leg goes up into a passe, followed by the other developing into a fully rotating jump in the air. So that is the Excel turn. The ball change. No? A ball change in Just Dance is a quick, percussive movement that involves transferring weight from one foot to the other. In Just Dance, no? Just Dance, ball change are typically performed in a rhythmic pattern, often in conjunction with the other steps. Proceed, no, to the third one, which is the chasse. So the chasse is a common movement in Just Dance, no. It is a fun one to learn. Um, it's a gilding side-to-side step that creates a sense of fluidity and momentum. So the chasse should flow smoothly from one step to the next, with no pauses or breaks in the movement. So chasse, no, is a versatile step that can be used in a variety of Just Dance routines, adding elegance and fluidity to the movement. So let's proceed to the fourth one, which is um, drop, no, drop. So in Just Dance, um, drop can refer to a few different things depending on the context, no? So here are the most common interpretations. So the most common meaning of drop in Just Dance, no, it signifies a sudden shift in energy, no, rhythm or styles within a routine. No? It's often used to mark a change in the music, no, a shift in a mode, or a transition to a new section of choreography. So, for example, no, you might hear a choreographer say, "Okay, now we're gonna drop into a more lyrical section." So, this means the energy and style will become softer and more flowing. Let's proceed to the fifth one, which is extension. So extension in Just Dance is a key concept that refers to the uh, elongation, no, and lengthening of limbs, creating a sense of grace, fluidity, and visual impact. It's about maximizing the potential of your body's lines and creating a beautiful silhouette, no? By mastering extension, you can enhance your Just Dance technique and create a more powerful, graceful, and visually captivating performance. Let's proceed to the fun kick, no? So, fun kick in Just Dance is a dynamic and visually striking movement that involves a series of quick controlled kicks that resembles the opening of a fan. So here's how it's typically performed. So starting position, stand your feet together or in a small V position. First kick, begin with quickly kicking one leg forward, keeping your toes pointed and maintaining a straight leg. Second kick, bring your other leg forward in a similar kick, keeping your toes pointed. Third kick, continue alternating kicks, bringing your legs forward in a quick, fun-like motion. So in the ending, no, you can end the fun kick by holding one leg in a high kick position or by bringing both legs together in a controlled closing motion. Okay, let's proceed to the jazz walk. So a jazz walk in jazz dance is a fun and stylish way to move across the floor, incorporating a sense of rhythm, syncopation, and personality. It's not a single step, but rather a combination of movement that creates a distinct jazzy feel. Jazz walks often incorporate isolation where you move specific body parts independently. So this can include moving your shoulders, hips, rib cage, or head in a rhythmic way. Now that we're done with the jazz walk, let's proceed to the eighth one, which is the knee turn. So knee turn in jazz dance isn't a standard item. It's likely you're thinking of a different movement or a specific technique. So knee turn is a basic turn, no? Only it is executed on one or both knees. So let's proceed to the ninth one, which is the layout. So layout is one leg is kicked up in the air while the torso is leaned back into as dramatic an arch as possible. So head should be dropped back and arms should also be extended backward. So almost able to touch the floor. Okay, now that we're done with layout, let's proceed to the pivot step. No, pivot step is a step in jazz dance. No, is a turning movement where you shift your weight and pivot in one foot. It is a smooth, controlled turn that can be done in various directions. You can add various variations like a jump or chasse step to make it even more dynamic. So to perform a pivot step, one step, one foot steps in front of the other, and then the body pivots around the back into its original position. Let's proceed to the release. No, release is following an isolated pose. The body, from the word itself, releases into a freer form. Again, release is a following an isolated pose. The body releases into a freer form. So that is the release. Next is the stag leap. No? Stag leap is a very high jump simulating splits in the air. Only one leg is bent, so the foot is tucked under the knee. Again, stag leap is a very high jump simulating splits in the air. Only one leg is bent, so the foot is tucked under the knee. So those are the jazz dance basic terminology. So I hope um, you learned something from the discussion today, and those are the Just Dance basic terminology. And thank you.